Hello there, my name is Patrick and I'm from Munich-Ai, and in this video today I want to prove something that we can get the super trend from a couple of videos before with like already hundreds of percentage much better. So we will improve it. There's only two things we need, like the Smart DCA Profit Hunter from the Elite Traders Club from us, and you need a specific super trend indicator. So let's switch over to TradingView. And the video I've shown you will find in our channel about the super trend makes already like really nice profits. So once you're a member of the Elite Traders Club, you get a lot of different indicators optimized to use with the Profit Hunter. The Profit Hunter is a strategy builder where you get like the best profits and you can build up everything you like together. So this is like the super trend normally we use. In the video I showed some combinations with like long-term, short-term, but we can get even the maximum out of it. So there's like a indicator which is called Super Trend Optimizer from QSF Trading. And this one, once you start it, so you will see it, I will open it. It will look like this. Yeah. So for example, we are right now on the Solana 4-hour time frame, and we have a little table here. When you open it, probably it looks like that. Let me renew it or set it back like that, because it will show you all the results, but you just go into the indicator and switch from show performers from all to top 3, because we only want to see the top 3 performing settings. And now you see them, and it says like, okay, for Solana on 4-hour time frame, I have like the best performing settings is 2,271 percentage profit in the recent time. That's because like big uptrends, and the super trend is taking the whole uptrend. And how can we use the settings? So now we go to the indicator itself, and here at the beginning we have like exactly the factors, super trend and ATR links. And this one we change now to 1.5 we have, and to 12. Yeah. So now this is exactly the settings, the perfect optimized settings for the indicator. And now the really cool thing is with this super trend optimizer, which will be also like having a copy on our Elite Traders Club for all our members available, we can directly use in the Profit Hunter. So that's what we usually do. Only one order base and no safety orders. And then we use sell indicator, not to take profit, say yes, and the super trend down. You will see it here on the list. And for the base order indicator, we use the uptrend. So and therefore everything is configured, and then just reopen it. And here you will see also on the table, the profit, it makes 2,266. It's a bit different, but of course, no problem at all. And always when you get a long signal, the base order is starting. And once there's a sell signal, like the better example is this one here, of course, the base order starts here and the sell here, which is like really massive profits, and you're taking all of them. So this is really nice. And there's but one thing which annoys me quite. And this is like, okay, we have the table here with the results, but wouldn't it be a really nice idea to directly implement these settings in the indicator here itself, as a value? That we cannot change the settings, so that these settings will always automatically adjusted by this table settings, by the value. And this would be a really nice feature, because this is then self-optimizing. Because once you set up this strategy, the Profit Hunter, with the super trend behind, always when the market changes, let's say we go in a bear market and we see a bigger downtrend, and in general the super trend is more bearish, so the settings change a bit to get the most and best settings. This new signals from the optimized super trend will be directly changed in the Profit Hunter, because in the background this is running all the time, both of them. Not only the Profit Hunter, also this trend of course is running. And therefore we have an automatically optimized settings always with the Profit Hunter. So it doesn't matter which market, it's always like the best settings you can get out of this indicator. And this is amazing. And this is something I will implement and make it available for our Munich Elite Traders members. You will get this indicator once you join like the Munich Elite Traders Club. So that's it for the video today. I hope you like it, and please let me know once you try this out How do you like it? Because it doesn't matter when you change different coins. If I go to Ethereum on a 4-hour time frame, you will see it's loading a bit. Sometimes you need to deactivate the Profit Hunter and then wait first for the table. And now it says 725. And once I open the Profit Hunter, you will also see here really nice results, 700%. So that's pretty cool. And for the long-term run, it's really nice, even if you do spot trading. Yeah, it's automatically opening the position and closing it. Thank you very much for the video today. I hope you like it, and give me a thumb up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel that we can grow. Have a nice evening, and bye-bye.